For today, we are doing Minute to Win It meets football. So we have all of these little mini footballs that we folded from paper. We chose a brown paper just to make it look even more like a football. And you're gonna get like a 1 by 6 inch piece of paper. If it's cardstock, it's heavier. And then you just fold over to create a triangle and then keep folding to match that triangle over and over again until you have only a little bit left on the end that can't go anymore. So here I can't do another one that fills in the whole thing. So I'm just going to then take that top piece, fold it into another triangle on the top there, and then I'm going to tuck it inside of the other one. Once the footballs are all finished, we are ready to start play. We're going to have 60 seconds to see how many of our footballs we can get into the muffin tin. Wouldn't it be great if you got all 12?
Yeah, but you know why they call them muffin tin?
Why is that?
Because it's no piece of cake to get the little footballs in there.
That is so awesome. That's right, no piece of cake, and that's going to be where the challenge comes in. Good one, Cam. So we are going to play it team style, but you could play it individually. So we're going to give ourselves 60 seconds on the clock, and then see how many we can get in before it starts. On your mark, get set, go.
Right.
Almost, girl. There we go.
Whoa.
We're going to set that out a little bit more. Oh.
Whoa.
And in normal one, you could put it like far across the table. Woo! Way to go! But for the sake of the filming, we are keeping it nice and close for you. Oh, 2! Oh, almost. I'll grab those if we need them at the end.
Okay.
Nice job! You were rocking that 4.
So are you.
4 in 30 seconds. We might be able to get them all in. That would be amazing. Or not.
But like I said, it's no piece of cake.
That was awesome.
Thanks.
Another one. We actually are moving pretty good. 10 seconds left.
Alright.
Let's see if we can each get one more. Oh, we did it. Woo, too far.
Too far.
Oh, time is up. Alright, so we successfully got 2, 4, 6 in half of it. Not bad. We'd love to know what you get as well. If you enjoyed this, be sure to give us a big thumbs up down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you want to see more football games, I'll put a link here and in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.